Hello, I'm Rayana Brooks. I'm from America. I study at LSU and Louisiana State University for bioengineering. I chose to do an internship because I really wanted to challenge myself and step out of my comfort zone, especially with going abroad. I also really wanted to get hands-on experience for a lot of the stuff that we talk about in class that I don't get to do at those labs over there. I think the most interesting things that I saw was the DNA extraction and analysis because it was a lot of hands-on work, and we had just talked about a lot of the processes that we went through in my class this last semester. So it was really cool to connect the dots. I'm very happy. The rooms are great. The walks aren't far, and I like being in the city. Nothing to complain about. I loved it. I was only here for 2 weeks, but I had a great time. The other interns are great, and we go eat all the time, and the food's delicious, and there's plenty of stuff to see and do. And we have weekends off, so it's a great work-life balance.